In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to a domain. By the end of this walkthrough, your Shopify store will load at your own custom web address, and you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. This is the main control center for your store. From here, look to the very bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. It has a small gear icon and opens a panel with all the key configuration options for your store. In the Settings area, select Domains. This page shows your current store domain, any domains you've connected before, and the status of your secure certificate. It's also where you manage everything related to your web address, all in one place. Now you'll see two main choices: connect an existing domain you already own, or buy a new one directly through Shopify. If you already purchased a domain from a domain registrar, choose Connect Existing Domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can choose Buy New Domain to purchase one through Shopify with simple billing and automatic setup. Either path keeps you on this page and guides you through the process clearly. If you're connecting a domain you already own, type your domain name exactly as it appears, then click Next. Double check for typos, make sure there aren't extra spaces, and use the main version of your domain, for example, yourstore.com. Shopify will run a quick check to see if the domain is pointed correctly and will guide you through anything that needs attention. For many popular providers, Shopify can streamline parts of the connection, and you'll see helpful prompts right on the screen. After you click Next, the system may show a pending or verifying status while it confirms the connection. That's normal. Domain connections can take a little time to propagate across the internet. Often it's just a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on your provider. You can stay on the domains page and refresh periodically to see when the connection shows as connected and secure. Once connected, your store will have an active SSL certificate, and visitors will see the secure padlock in their browser. A quick tip: whether customers type the root domain or the W version, Shopify will handle the redirect so shoppers land in the right place. Also, keep your domain renewed on time so your site stays accessible without interruption. That's all there is to it. From home, go to Settings, open Domains, choose to connect an existing domain or buy a new one, enter your domain, and click Next. Your store will be live on your custom web address as soon as the connection completes.